Alright. Let's see if I can move this a little bit. Yeah. If you take a look at this is FL Studio that I'm using. If you take a look over here, it's got all the drum kits, the synthesizers, everything that I need for creating a beat. And of course I got if you take a look at this, bring it up, it's got all the VSTs, VSTIs, and you got hardcores if you want to do hardcore amps, distortions and stuff. You got Poison, Sawyer, Ugon, but mostly I use that, the FL keys, the Boo Bass, the Slayer right there, and oh, this one, Sim Synth, and that's pretty much it. And I got this one too. It's one of my favorites. It's the Sim Synth or Synth 1. And what it is if you click on that, it'll bring up all this. It's got all these preset voices and synths, effects. You can even create your own and save it into this. And let's see. Now, here's a song that I did for it's a beat from Neyo's song, and I'm gonna play it for you, okay? Different ones, like check this one out. It's called I'm trying to do that What You Say song, you know, that Jason Derulo song. Yeah.